Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa with the final scandal review of the season. Now, I know I'm well late. I'm about a month late. Since I was already late, I decided that I would take the liberty of dropping it on Scandal Thursdays. Well, what used to be Scandal Thursdays, what is just now known as Thursday, which is a much more boring alternative because no scandal there. But no, said all of the scandal back then, we will want something to talk about. I've decided that's what we are called. I'm sure other people have cuter things to call us like Scandalite and Teen Scandal and them something. But I feel like Oriana of the Navy, we are just Scandal bag. Anyway. Before I'm really going on the review proper, I want to know, it is a personal question. Does anybody, if you're here a fan, the fan is on right now because me don't know why Kingston artist. So this is the 5th time I am reviewing this something. Me had to stop and go out and do for the fan. Now, anybody know what Shonda Rhimes watch at evening time? Because Shonda is doing some things in the show that is giving me a feeling that when you look at her DVR, all you are seeing is Bold and the Beautiful, Young and the Restless, and Santa Barbara. Because some of the techniques that she is using is very soap opera-esque. For example, they look away into the distance. You know, in the soap opera, them like after somebody just drop a bomb and somebody like them say, you are not the daddy, but you are the daddy, but you're the mommy same time. Then like the somebody have to look off in the distance and just make the camera kind of features them body. Why me say Olivia Pope do that? Like me not be tired to see Olivia just a look off. So and because it's Olivia, the lip tremble have to go on. You know, like Olivia, we don't have the shoes in a size 7, but we think we can give you a 7.5. All of them type of something there. The next thing that Shonda is doing that is giving her away as a long time Santa Barbara fan. Why people who did that come back? Billy Graham, we killed you. We killed you fair and square, Billy Graham. We were done with you. But here you are, causing havoc with your bird big boss, Sally. You come back here with your over-enunciation and your designs to land on the South Lawn. And like I explained it to you, it is not going to happen. You see how some people want to go on TV, but them have radio face? It's the same way you want to be the president, but you have Vice President Cloud. Sally, it is never going to happen. You are way above your pay scale on this one. But Billy, we give you a chance at life. How will you do with the chance? Come back for cause havoc in a people like, you know what you do when people give you a blind and make you live when you did supposed to dead? You move to another country, you marry somebody of a different race so your friends will never find you. You change your name, you get a very dark tan, you change your ear color and you move on with your life, but see your ear come back and you are in cahoots with dirty David Rosen. David Rosen, how is it that you are the mole and not the mole at the same time? I am very confused. David Rosen, you remind me of a mongoose. With your two little beady eye, you just look like something will run out of bush and that under my car when they drive through Alan Bamboo. I don't know what to make of you because first you were our enemy and now you are our friend and now you sell this fabulous white hat well be jewel down and them something go give Olivia and send the Citron card back to Cyrus, which me and you know, David Rosen, that is not the real Citron card because when it was me did I look on your production line, me see about 50 of the Citron sticker them are cut out and David, even though you may not be the sharpest tool in the shed, although given the fact that you sat down there and went through about 1 million numbers, I would say that you're probably pretty sharp. You must can cut out at least 5 good stickers out of a page of 50, which simply means to me that you have at least 5 fake Citron cards running around while the real one is in your possession for when you really need to play the big and when you want something big. But no, you sit on the panel of your couch and you eat the whole of the baked goods, including the little tin lip red ear girl cookies and all of them something there, and play drop hand every night and pick number and then turn around give it the people them side. David, me not really know what to do with you. I'm glad to say you get a little position because you're good for your job, but me not really know how to feel about you. But if the time come and my community need a Japan man and you me and because you're really good with numbers. Alright, I have to write down some of the something because I couldn't come back with all of the something them that me want to say. Oh, Melly, you really gonna take back fits? You really gonna take back fits after all of that, Melly? After all our fits to you? After fits tell you say if you come up against him and him new woman, him gonna tell the worst say you're racist. You, Melly, who is a nice, equitable, ethical young girl. Him tell you say him a go kick you out of the White House, him a go change all the lock and call the locksmith. Your Lord, life sound like a Tifa song. Him tell you say him a go turn over the bed and rearrange the furniture like when people dead in the house. And you really are gonna take him back, Melly. What is wrong with you? At the end of this, if you are not the president of the entire universe, none of what you went through was worth it. And please, Melly, can you stop looking so shocked and offended by the things that go on? Because given that we have witnessed your shame tree chopping down and them throwing lime at the root so it cannot blossom back. Me feel say you have to stop look so innocent of everything. You practically kill off people. You are party to every kind of evil. Why you look shocked when Fitz walk in the room for join you? Why you look shocked when people are threatening to kill other people? Melly, I'm not gonna need you to just accept that you is the driest, yaest woman in the entire world and proceed onwards with your life. Next thing. Fitz. That is your superpower? That's your superpower, Fitz? Really? Your superpower is slapping her down? I'm going to need you to stop abusing Olivia with your tongue, because that is all I could imagine that you're doing to her. Why it is that she cannot leave you alone despite all of the things that you have done, including killing Verna Thornton. And why is it that you kill somebody and expect somebody to forgive you for that, but the fact that Olivia had sex with somebody else while you were on a break, you are seeming to want to find that unforgivable? Fitz, at the time when Olivia was sleeping with that man, where were you? Now back in your marriage with Melly. So is it that Olivia did tell you that she was going to BB you the combination to her chastity belt, and then she was going to destroy the message and only you one would ever have it? Or was she a single woman functioning as such? And she had sex with somebody who you said to stalk her. So I'm not really clear anymore on how it is that things are going on in your life. And then, Cyrus, why do you think that when you are dead in the back of an ambulance, is the time to be calling people to trace about how they are conducting their life? Cyrus, you are an elderly person. You're an elderly person. You need to eat right. You need to exercise. You need to take your Geritol complete, because this lifestyle is not working out for you. But Cyrus, one thing I can tell you I'm going for you right now. You have chosen the perfect partner for yourself, because you are on your deathbed. The two of you are on your deathbed, cuddled up while you are dying. And the man is asking you for a scoop for a story. And you give it to the man. I have never seen something quite so wrong. In all of my life, you two are perfectly mated and well met. And the biggest line of that segment, don't you dare die while I'm still upset at you. Because heaven forbid Cyrus make it to the pearly gates and have to turn back to try to make it up with this man. Billy Graham, your name is Beelzebub. How much people you kill, Billy? How much people you kill? And that's why when Nancy Drew joke you with the drill, me never feel no way about it. Quinn, a long time you gear up to come talk about you. Quinn, what are you? Why when you drill the man and the blood reach up, you open your mouth like you want to swallow the blood? Your name is Lindsay Cullen. Right now you come from the Cullen clan and you have Bella up in the place. I feed from her blood and I wait for the vampire baby in her belly to come right now. Why is it that you have decided that you not only want to be up, you want to bypass up? You, Quinn, me figure you out. You were planted at Olivia Pope and Associates. You are a member of B613 and you were planted there to spy on them because you just take to the killing too good. You who dear about, where's the Citron card, Billy? And I'm not gonna ask you twice. If Uck couldn't do it and you could do it, and Uck are the baddest, dirtiest murderer we know, then what exactly are you, Lindsay? Me need a refund pan you right this minute. And now on to the last thing. Let me just make sure I have nothing to talk about, because I want to just Olivia daddy now. Why would I ever see it coming? You really feel saying a big white Washington, you did have two of the most important person in one story be black and them not related in some way? We were fooling. We got comfortable because the show had a black leading lady. We were somehow misled about exactly how black this whole area was. Olivia, daddy, why you try to kill Olivia? Why you try to kill Olivia? Why you send the lady to kill Olivia? Because me see my friend, them tell me, them rewind something in slow motion and tell me, say, oh no, the girl never take up her gun till she see Jake behind Olivia. When me look, me see the girl come in and she have guns out, gun on, all your mama life gone. It come in like a dancehall song. That girl it come there to kill Olivia. Olivia, your daddy send somebody to kill you. What is the problem? And why Olivia got mix up herself in a B613 and her daddy a B613? Right now, Olivia coming like one pit. They were going to put a tool shed when they put on there. And you know, so she going to take one of the power tools and cut off her finger. Olivia, this is beyond you. You're not really ready for all of that is about to happen to you right now. Me feel like, say, you need to leave all of these things alone and move on with your life. Me didn't know, you know. Me know something that got happen. Let me tell you why. Shonda then I go just make Olivia be happy so. And Olivia did honestly just wake up and look too happy. When me see Olivia get up and like she smile And she stopped swim. And then she go and go jog. And she put her nice little body in and the nice little jogging outfit and she move forward and all of them type of stuff. Then me didn't know say them. And from me see the people them I look on her and I smile. Me don't say nobody in that complex will smile at Olivia. Because Olivia don't talk to anybody. The girl barely eat. Me didn't know say it's like them was telling me didn't know say something terrible did go happen to Olivia. Me never know say her daddy was waiting down there for scandal her and bust out all that stuff. Where do we go from here? Okay, this is what matters. Where do we go from here? We're in a place where it's not safe. Next season is going to be about Harrison. Next season is going to be about Harrison. That's all I can at this point. Because at this point, everybody is rags out and tired. Huck is now impotent as a murderer. Lindsay is the #1 murderer. Olivia has been outed as the adulteress. Melly take back the man, but coming like she have to go give back because now everybody knows that she did a sharing. Fitz is going to run for president and very likely win. Sarah's coming like him have to go get I don't know, art surgery. Me feel him go buy one art on the black market. The husband hasn't mentioned the baby in all long, so I don't know who is raising that child. David Rosen is about to be the king of the world. Sally, she gone back in her office, and Billy Graham is still alive somewhere. So Harrison is the only person that I feel that them story can go anywhere. So I don't know. Only give me feedback now. Come back with us. When scandal is not here, only just come up with a bag of things when the feel so go happen, and then me go vlog them and tell you the likelihood. I think something them go connect up together. Only link me under the video here, and then link me at More Mayhem on Twitter, and then go facebook.com/MooreTalkJa, and then just tell me something they want to feel go up, and then me go vlog them and tell you if them something they really like or not. We are gonna keep scandal going while scandal is away. Take care of yourself. When stay cool and not eat. And remember, if it is that you must drink, let somebody else drive. I don't know where that came from. I've been watching road safety things. Anyways, peace, love, chicken grease. Bye-bye.